Good morning. I have another wig. Yesterday didn't go too well. I ain't like how I wore it. I have ASHANI from OUTRE. It's a half wig. She's cute. She is cute. I just didn't like how I wore her yesterday because I didn't realize since it was so soft how fluffy it would get. So today I have some of the lock and pomade mousse from IMovie that I'm gonna put on there. See if it will make it a little bit less puffy. And also I want to cut a bang in there, in here. So I have my clip to section the hair off and my shears. And as always, I'm doing this when I have like no time. That's a good bit. And I'm gonna clip that. It's a lot of hair. I like a lot of hair, but it's a lot of hair. I'm gonna take some of this like so, run it through the hair and also detangle it. Trim as needed. I haven't cut bangs in a long time. So we're gonna twist and cut. Almost perfect. I just need a bobby pin because I want this to stay fluffy and pinning discreetly near the top so to like stay down. This is what we have. I don't know. I'm feeling it, but I'm not. It's gonna have to work today. It's going to have to work today. I don't know quite what happened between the last clip and this one. But there were some changes. We have now gone in the direction of claw clip action. I just wasn't feeling where we were at before. And I have a meeting to attend today, so yeah. We got a headband, a swoop, some little straight pieces, and like a messy claw clip action thing happening here. Thank you for watching, y'all. Bye.